I might as well just talk to you like this because I mean, this is the star of the show.
Rolls Royce, Lamborghini, blue Medina, always beaming, rag top, chrome pipes, blue lights out of sight. Long way, so in, say it again, so.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we have this amazing spring summer fun makeup look. So without wasting any more time, let's get to it. I'm going to take my LA Girl Pro Concealer and just put it on top of my eyelids just to make sure that I have an even base. And when I put my eyeshadow, then the eyeshadow just sticks on there and it just pops. And guys, please make sure that you blend seamlessly, like let there be no creases, because once you put eyeshadow and there's a line there, it's going to stay there forever. So just take your time while blending. And then I'm going to grab my tapered fluffy brush and just dab some orange transition color that I took from my Huda Beauty palette and just put it right there on top of my eyelids. And then this is the Huda Beauty palette that I was talking about, and that's just the orange eyeshadow that I forgot to show you. And then I'm going to grab my China makeup palette and use the purple and the magenta and just mix them together. I'm going to start with the lightest purple and just put it in the middle. And as you can see, I am just dabbing from the wet concealer. I did not put anything on top. I'm just going to put that color right on top of the concealer and just put it there. And then I'm just going to take the darker pink and put it towards the end of my eyes. And then I'm going to grab some orange again and just put it on, because I feel like once I started blending it might have also just faded in terms of pigment. Then take another tapered clean fluffy brush and blend all those three shades together. Now I'm going to grab my NYX eyeshadow base, and I'm going to use a white eyeshadow base instead of my concealer, because white will pick up more pigment than the brown, and I want these colors to be vibrant and pop out. As you can see, I'm just cutting my crease, dabbing it, and then just looking up, because that's going to just map out where my cut crease should be. And then I'm going to start with my first color, and it's the Vibrant Yellow, which is a 12 rand eyeshadow, by the way, from Dischem, and I'm just going to dab it there on the eyeshadow base and just let it soak up the pigment. Side note, this could be a look on its own, low-key. And then I'm going to take those two greens, the very light green and the darkest green. I'm going to first layer it up. As you can see, I am using the brush that I used previously. I'm just using the other side of it. I just feel like this works better if you don't have a lot of brushes. Just make sure that the other side is nice and clean. And I'm patting the pigment just across. But as you can see, this is very like neon green, and that's not the look I was going for. Hence I thought I might as well just use the darker green just to balance the color so that I can get the perfect color that I wanted. Then I go back just to layer out the darkest green on top. My next colors are going to be my blues, the baby blue, the dark blue, royal blue, and I'm going to mix them up as well. I took a new brush for this one, same flat brush, and I'm just going to pack in the light blue first. And then I go back with the darker blue just to add some gradient. Now I'm just going to swap my brush over and just add more pigment on the light blue side. Once I'm done, I'm going to reach out for my Kylie palette and go for this dark purple, but I'm actually going to start with a maroon first just to even it out. Then go to the dark purple that I showed you earlier on and just pat it on, making sure that I am blending and patting at the same time. Now the trick to this look is blending. I'm going to reach out for my brush that I used to put in my blues and tip it over so that it can blend nicely. Then go back to the brush that I used my yellow and greens on and tip it over as well, just to blend the yellow and the green. Depending on which color you need more, if it's the yellow or the green, then obviously you'd use the green side or the yellow side. Then I'm going to repeat the steps to do and blend the other eye. Together now. I'm just going to add more of that last dark purple. Okay guys, so let me do my face and then I will show you how the final look turned out. I know lots of you have been wanting me to show you how I put on my lashes, so I'm going to use this Kiss glue that I got from Clicks, and it is non-latex. And what I do is just take the brush and brush it on the lash band and wait for it to dry, then put it on my lashes. I like to begin in the middle and then fix the front and then fix the back, or start in the middle, fix the back and then in the front. It all depends on you. And then I'm going to line my lips. Add a nude pink. And top it off with some Fenty lip gloss. I'm going to go back to the Kylie palette and use the maroon that I used well as the dark purple just to tie in my under eyes. And then your girl has to take off her hairband, do her edges, change her clothes, and I'll be right back. And I'm back. This is the final look. I've done my baby hairs, I've done my hair, and I love this look. This is like, yeah, I know I've got makeup on, it's okay, but I still look fire, you know? So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you on my next video. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, do it all, because we do appreciate you here, and of course we are going to be slaying all the time. Oh no.